chamber in this debate. And I give the floor to Mr. Bokros.
No, el señor Junqueras.
I beg your pardon, Mr. Junqueras. You have a minute and a half, sir. Before Mr. Bokros, Mr. Junqueras.
Buenos días.
Good morning, Mr. Zapatero. A couple of years ago, you said that Spain was different from Italian per capita production, and now at international level, Spain is leading the so-called index of poverty in the European Union with 20% unemployment and a huge deficit. What has happened, Mrs. Zapatero? Your economic reforms for Europe, should they be the same as those applied in Spain, and a deficit used for building great telecommunication infrastructure? When can we European citizens benefit from a high-speed rail network to unite the continent, and a deficit which is being used to push forward the productive method? What confidence can we have in you in implementing the European digital network? What about money to be spent on research? And finally, unlike your Spanish associates, Spain is still involved in Kosovo. How long will you abuse the patience of the international community, refusing to accept the decision on self-determination as a democratic expression of the will of the people there?
Por un minuto tiene la palabra el señor Bokros.
Now, Mr. Bokros, 90 seconds.
Muchas gracias. Eso es muy significativo.
Thank you very much. I think it's both significant and symbolic for the Prime Minister of Spain is talking about the importance of creating jobs. And of